but it was not at the same intensity as I typically work out, because I was both emotionally and just physically exhausted, mentally exhausted. I've been studying a lot, and I think I hit a brick wall in the last week, and I had to step back and reassess, and I had to focus on one thing that I was going to push through on, and I decided that I would push through studying and step back and everything else. And now I'm stepping back up on everything all at once. It's hard when it's hard. It's difficult when you are changing multiple things about yourself simultaneously, all at once. And you're working on several things all at once. Can relate. Tell me in the comments how many of you can relate when you're working on different aspects of yourself all at once. And then there's like this person doing. You would drive, and then the person is driving on the wrong side of the road. Like they're driving on the passing side when they should be driving on the other side. It's weird. It's weirdo behavior. It's like, what are you doing?
I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hello. Hey, how y'all doing? I am wanting to discuss the proper time limits for working out. Because, quite frankly, I don't know the answer to that question. I keep trying to look up what the experts are saying is supposed to be the proper time limits to working out. And everybody's saying something different. I'm getting a range, like 30 minutes a day is sufficient for at least 5 to 6 days a week. 30 minutes a day. And then there are those who are like, well, you have to weight train for at least 45 minutes to an hour to actually achieve weight loss. At least 3 days a week. 3 to 4 days a week. And then there are those who are like, cardio needs to be between 30 to 60 minutes a day, 4 to 5 days a week. I'm kind of confused by all these different experts saying all these different things. And I'm just trying to figure out what works for my body. But it's hard. It's hard to figure it out. I got this one little pigtail that just wants to say hello. What do I do about it? That's the main question. What do I do about it? I don't know. And that's just the honest answer. I do not know. I wish I did. I wish I had all the answers. But I'm just doing the best I can in the moment that I'm in. So many things that a person wants to improve upon in a day. And unlike superstars, I don't have a team to help me do it. It's just me. So I have to figure out my hair, and I have to figure out what I want to do in my career. Boop. And then I have to figure out my family. And I have to figure out me. I have to figure out me. And whether or not I work out 30 minutes or 45 minutes just becomes the least of these things when it's hard enough just to work out at all. You feel me? It's like, you're lucky I got up at all. But then I have to remember I'm talking to myself. Other people don't care what I do with my life. And I have to battle, really, not care about, battle. It's me.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.